My name is William Mulholland, and I am a advanced practice registered nurse and work for Advent Health in Avon Park. Family medicine, we actually see a multitude of things. We can see anything that walks in the door. Could be from simple hangnail all the way to somebody who's in the middle of a crisis that we have to get out of the office. Our job is to be able to narrow that down quickly, safely, and get them to where they need to be. I love what I do because I know that's where my mission is, what my ministry is, where I was called to be. God gifted me with that compassion and empathy to be able to care for others the same way I care for my family and how I expect people to care for my family. I pride myself on being a great listener, and I always treat the person sitting across from me as if it was my own family member, because everybody belongs to somebody. And lastly, I am excited to be a part of the Advent Health family and have the opportunity to care for you and your family.